Ah, yes, the two things I love most: microplastics and working on Harley Davidsons. Okay, so today we're gonna put a rear axle in this piece of garbage. But scrap, I hear you say. That has an axle. Yeah, well, guess again. That axle doesn't have this little spacer, so I gotta replace the whole frickin' thing! You may have noticed I do this thing where on the seat of the motorcycle I'm going to be working on, I put the parts necessary for that project. Don't want to check this one off again. It's not nice to me. I am going to be deliriously happy when I don't have to work on this bike anymore. The axle is just stuck. I twist and I pull and I yank and I wiggle the wheel and it's stuck. I don't know what happened. It just doesn't want to let go. You, the guy she tells you not to worry about. Yeah. Why am I doing this? Alright, now that the shaft is well lubed. So these are not quite exactly the same axle, which makes that extremely homoerotic lubrication sequence completely unnecessary. Okay, the OE axle is home. Got to do a little alignment slash belt tension job. Put the thing in the place. So your typical high quality motorcycle that's intended to be maintenance will have little marks, such as 1980 Yamaha. Little marks. Yeah, both sides. Both sides, little marks. 2006 Suzuki. Little marks. Little marks. I don't have another motorcycle in here, but basically, pick one that's ever been made by anybody, except these fucking bastards. It'll have little marks. I need a minute. I fought with that axle for a really long time. Installed! Next order of business. Because it's a Harley, the kickstand's broken. Because it's a Harley, it leaks oil. And because it's a Harley... And it's enough of that. I'm going to fix some other things. Maybe this. It's got an engine in it now. I got some bolts. I got Baja Blast. Something back there is radioactive. Subscribe.